Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you are all doing well today. I have a post review to share with you. This is my completed canvas that was sent to me from Everydayedeals. I will have the links for you guys down below to their website and to this canvas. This was one that I picked and they sent it over to me. An 80 by 30 round drill. I call it Forest Friends. I have been updating on Instagram as we go along, and it's been in probably a couple of whip and chats with you guys. I had no issues with the canvas itself, the stickiness, the symbols, the drills were really good. My only issue is white background. I really do not like white background paintings because that is the one color that you will see if your symbols are sticking out. I'll zoom in and show you guys a close-up. At a glance you don't really notice it too much, but for me I do, and I try and get my drills as straight as possible. I don't use a ruler though, but I try and do it as straight as possible, so it kind of bothers me when I can see a little tiny bit. And this symbol that they use for this background, just show you. This bottom one right here, number 23, it was just this backslash. And as you can tell, it is touching the top of the square. So that means that the location of that symbol is above, like at the top. And if your drill is not covering that, you're gonna see it. The other symbol that I had that issue with was this parentheses. And it is pretty much touching the top and the bottom. So again, that tells you that you're gonna have a hard time. And then like the star is positioned towards the top, it's not in the center, so your drill needs to be placed a little bit lower. It's just those little things that kind of bother you as you're going along, but otherwise it looks great. I'm not too happy about the colors of the deer and the fox. I don't know, he just doesn't blend in nicely. These two look really good, blended with the grays and the purples and the pinks. They look pretty, but these ones with the oranges, meh. I don't know. From far away it looks great, but the color choices are a little meh. So let me show you up close. Here is our owl. He's so cute. The little baby deer. There's the raccoon. And then the fox. So turned out really nice. I have lots of extra drills, an entire package of the white, the 3865 that was for the background, one entire package plus more in here. I have extra for every single color. The pink in here, that was a duplicate, so I have like almost a full container, and then these ones down here were all for the 3865, the white that I used. So I still have another full container in there, but everybody else does have a good amount of drills left for each of the colors. And trash wise, there really wasn't anything other than colors that got mixed in with each other. So they were good quality. The shape and size was consistent, so no issues with that. Yeah, so it turned out to be really good. In case you didn't see the unboxing, I will link it down below for you, but canvas was 80 by 30, but with the edges, it is just shy of 75 by 25, so about 5 centimeters on each side. Now let me see if you guys will be able to see what I'm talking. It's hard to tell because then there's like a shadow. So this drill here is up to the top a little bit. I don't know if you can see up in here the black that's peeking out. It's hard to tell because it's also a shadow when I lift it up like that. But nice and sparkly, It turned out really pretty. I think this would be great to put in a nursery. Not that I'm having any more kids. All right, so that is it. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.